Welcome to Mimir's Forge. Today we are building the Death Star in a different way than originally planned. I cut out the parts and teased the autofocus while filing. The Bandai kit is really easy to put together. I'm just gluing a larger piece here. After assembly, I give it a coat of light grey acrylic paint. The inner parts are painted a little darker. Some panels are highlighted with a dark grey. I try to randomize the panels and spread them out over the whole model. Now my mistake begins. I don't have a wash, so I mixed my own, made from some oil paint and acetone. The first mixture was much too bluish for me. I wanted more of a dark brown. However, when I started to remove the excess wash, the acetone dissolved all layers of the paint. The result was a colorless and damaged surface. Here you can see it better. I thoroughly cleaned the model under running water and made a decision. I discarded my plan of a perfect Death Star against a beautiful space backdrop. It should now be a defective Death Star. The basics were already done, so we went straight to the rust stuff. I cut the Death Star in half. I decided to use the bottom half because it already looks so nicely broken. However, I really wanted to use the iconic super weapon in it. So I tried the Dremel tool to cut out just this piece. It still looked too new. The Dremel tool is used again. After a few cuts, I was happy with it. The super weapon is glued to the bottom half. It looks okay, but a few details can enhance it. Actually, there is an opening for the display stand. I just stick a piece of the Death Star on it. A few more details should provide a frayed and broken look. A styrofoam block serves as the basis. I spread a mixture of PVA glue, water and sand on it. Then the Death Star finds its place in it. I place more debris around the Death Star. A few of them remains under the later water surface, few stand out. Where the dead star is, the water is deep. To reinforce the impression, I paint the bottom of the sea black. I also do this carefully between the rubble parts. Then I paint the sides black. I use tape to build a mold for the epoxy resin. Because the sides are already painted, the tape will hold well. To make sure that no resin escapes, I seal the corners with Mod Podge. While the Mod Podge dries, I give the Death Star a rusty look. It's like he's been in the water for decades, and the water and the tides have given him a hard time. Working with resin is always a thing. No matter how hard you try, you still have a leak. To save myself the hassle of doing this, I built a tub out of a cardboard box and a garbage bag. To my surprise, no tub was needed. If I had left them out, something would have leaked out, I'm sure about that. And yes, I always wear a mask and gloves when I work with resin. The tape comes off. To create waves, I first spread PVA glue lightly mixed with water on the water surface. After this has dried, I mix some white acrylic paint with water and apply it thinly. I distribute this mixture by blowing through a straw. Okay, so now we know two things. I have a beard and a straw help makes waves. Some isopropyl alcohol enhances the effect. Here is the finished result. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.